What's up guys, Miltos here and welcome back to the channel. Finally, AppSync Tweak has been updated to support all versions of iOS 14. In this video, I will show you how to download the AppSync Tweak on iOS 14. AppSync Tweak allows you to install unsigned apps on your iOS device. This is one of the most important Cydia tweaks. Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to download it on your iOS device. Alright, the first thing you will do is open Cydia. Okay, go to the sources here. Now here you will add this source, which is current source. As you see guys, you will need to add this source to download the latest version of AppSync Tweak. Alright, as you see here, this is the source you will add. After adding this source guys, go to the search bar here. Now in the search bar here, search for AppSync Unified. As you see, this is the tweak and this is the latest version of the tweak. This version works on iOS 5 up to iOS 14.4.1. When you install this tweak guys, make sure that you have installed it from current source. Also make sure to install the latest version, which is 90.0. This is the latest version for now. Okay, now click install, confirm. As you see guys, when installing the tweak, you will see an important alert. As you can see in the warning here, if AppSync is not working after installation, please reboot your device or run ID restart to fix it. You will only need to do this once. But if you have installed the tweak and it works with you, you don't need to do anything. Now just restart your device. After installing the tweak, it will work automatically. You will not find any new settings for the tweak in the settings app. Alright, after installing the tweak, I will install an unsigned app. Okay, I will install Widget app. Install. This app is not signed and therefore I will not be able to install it without AppSync Tweak. And boom, as you can see guys, the app was installed successfully. Now I will go back to the home screen and I should find the app. Alright, as you see, this is the app. I will open it now. As you see guys, it works without any problem. AppSync Tweak works without any problem with iOS 14. Alright, I will try to install another app. Okay, I will install Moment Capture app. Okay, just wait a few seconds. As you see, the app was installed successfully. Alright guys, AppSync Tweak is one of the most important tweaks that you should download and install. And as you see here, I'm on iOS 14.3. This tweak will allow you to install any unsigned app on your device. The latest update to the AppSync Tweak works perfectly with iOS 14. This version works perfectly with me. Alright, you will find the tweak source link below this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.